Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see by today's title, I will be doing this burgundy faux loc bob using Xtress hair and some extra spring twist hair that I had. At first I was really struggling because this style wasn't coming out the way I wanted to, and I wasn't going to use the hair that they gave me for its intended purpose. I didn't think that it would work well with my hair, and I didn't think that it would look good, to be honest with you. So I decided to just use the hair to do faux locks, and at first I was a bit skeptical because of the way that they were stiff, but they actually turned out really nice. I actually really like them. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Cue the intro. Okay, so we are starting off with this hair. It's from Xtress hair, and I think it's their kinky twist hair, but I could be wrong. I had 48 pre-parted twists in my hair because I parted my hair the day before, and this is the hair right out of the package. It is such a beautiful red color, and it matches my hair pretty nicely. The stuff you will need is in the top left corner, but I'm just going ahead and I'm crocheting some of the hair underneath the rubber band. This is me showing you the mistakes that I made. Later on in the video, I will show you exactly what I did to achieve my final look. Two packs of hair did all this, so 3 rows, and I still have 4 packs of hair left, so I'm going to triple them up. So I'm gonna start putting like 3 at each and then wrapping them, so it's probably gonna be like 4 or 5 because I want the ones at top to at least be fuller. Also, at the beginning of the video, Vicky, shut up. Ignore the baby. So by now I've gotten like my my little technique through. I'm gonna open up a new pack. This is the first strand out of the 3rd pack, and first things first, you're going to do is you're going to pull it. That's just gonna remove the little elastic thing that's on it, and then you're going to get your other 2, do the exact same thing to them. I've already done that to these, and this is what you're going to crochet in your hair. You're gonna hook it through your hair like this, slide the needle underneath the rubber band. You're going to slide your hair on, close the latch, and pull it through. Then you're going to pull your 3 sides through like so, and then down to the length you want it. You're gonna measure. So here I'm just gonna cut it like right here. Boom, just like that. Y'all are not gonna throw this away. This is excess you're gonna use. I'm just gonna go and do this around the whole perimeter of my head. Okay, now that I have all of these attached, I'm just gonna go in and I'm gonna start wrapping with the pieces that I cut off. That way we're not wasting anything. And then once you get to the bottom, you're just gonna take a rubber band and seal it off, then cut off the excess. That's how I get my lock. So this is where I ran out of regular like kinky twist hair, so I just started using some extra spring twist hair that I had on hand, and I actually like the contrast between the dark burgundy and the bright burgundy. I feel like it added a nice little touch, especially because the dark burgundy was at the top and then the bright burgundy was at the bottom. Can y'all see how incredibly stiff my hair looks? And it's going to change after I dip it. So this is how it looks dipped. It looks way better. It's much more flowy. And now I'm going to proceed with decorating my hair. Alright you guys, so this is the final look. I'm so glad I dipped them because y'all saw how it was looking before they got dipped, but now they have more movement. They're all flowy and whatnot. I did run out of hair, but I'm glad I had that extra spring twist hair that could just kind of, you know, finish up the rest. And it doesn't even look that bad. It's like a dark burgundy with the brighter burgundy, and it's fine. I decorated it. I don't know how it looks from the back, probably tacky, but that's how it looks from the back. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. All the details for the hair will be in the description box as usual. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe because we're on the road to 10K. We're like 3,000 away, but still, that's so close. That is all for this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Real talk.